Hello, this is the update for latest build. This left side is admin panel and this right side is VR. So let me just play. These are all the available users and these are the names of the headset because currently I'm testing on this. That's why it's called headset assign name or the system name. These are the scenarios, the two scenarios. We are immersive scenarios. These are the control panel. You select it or send it to all, and these are the update. These are the libraries. Let me just go through one by one. Let me just go through one by one. We just play it. And as you can see, this user is active now, and this is waiting for the instructor. And if we go through this and president awareness, if I launch that scenario will be run here. That is loading. As you can see, this that scenario is gone, and if you go to the control panel and if I pause that, everything will be paused here. And if I resume that, not I have to select the user, and that will be resume. If I end it, and that user will be, and if you can pause, as you can see, or everything is paused. If I resume that, and this will be resume. Not this is the current selected user. If I pause all the active user will be get paused. If I resume all the active user will be get resume. And if I click on the end, that user, the selected user will be end. If I end all, the our end user will be end. Let me just show you. If I just click on end all, that will go to the that scenario and it will wait for the instructor again. Okay, that's all. And also you can send the message to here, hi, and send or send it to all. Again, send to the user. It will be the selected user. How you can select a user? You just click on it, and that message will be sent to that user. If you send it all the active user will be receive that message. Okay, now let us move to the desktop library. Upload content. Select the thumbnail. Let me just select that thumbnail, some random thumbnail like that. Video title, let me just ask the video underscore one and select the actual video from your PC. This is for only for testing, and upload. Wait for it to upload. Upload is done and everything is processed. You can just go back and that video will be here. And when you play on that, all the active user will receive that video and will play on their headset. For example, let me just show you. If you can play, that video will be play here, and yeah, as you can see, it will play here too. If I end here, the video will end here too. So that is the control. If you play here and go back to the main controller, and if you end that video here, not the selected user, the video will end here too, and you have to end that here too for the that part. So that's how you control things. And I'm sending you the admin panel build and that build APK.